Let's watch a demonstration of our electrostatic technology. In this first clip, we'll spray an apple for 4 seconds. We've applied water-sensitive paper to the back side of the apple to indicate coverage. Now we'll spray with our electrostatic manifold activated. The spray will now be electrostatically charged as it leaves the nozzle. As the spray adheres to the water-sensitive paper, you will see the color change from yellow to purple. The results speak for themselves. In 3.8 seconds, the on-target spray system was able to provide complete wraparound coverage to the backside of the apple, while the uncharged spray yielded little coverage, if any.